Question, would you swap your smartphone for a brick, sat-nav for a road map, your streaming service for a music cassette tape? Thought not.
Yet somehow we still choose noisy engines
Over quieter rides,
exhaust fumes
over cleaner air, and higher running costs over perks that leave money in your pocket. Now don't get me wrong, petrol and diesel engines still do us proud, and with over 3,000 new and used cars available at Stoneacre, they still remain a valid choice. But by switching direction toward electric, you join the journey of the future. Lower running costs, less maintenance, and tax incentives, and ranges that keep getting longer, just like the growing number of customers saying yes to electric. So ask yourself this, is it time to make the switch?
Motoring for life.